Here is an update of what we have planned for 2018 at Tom's Trains and Things. So let's see what that is right now. Hi, I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. And I would like to wish everyone a happy new year for 2018. I hope you have a good new year coming up. I have a lot of plans for new things coming up in this new year, and I would like to share them with you right now. But before I do that, I would like to thank every one of you that has watched my videos in the past year in 2017. 2017 has been an exceptionally good year for YouTube and Tom's Trains and Things, and I would like to thank everybody that has taken the time to view those videos that I have put out. I really appreciate it, and I will be putting out more videos in 2018 just like those, and hopefully better. So if you would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go to my channel. Click right below the video where it says Tom's Trains and Things. Click on that, and that'll take you to my channel page, and click on playlists. And that will show you all the playlists that I have. I have them grouped into different categories by topic, so it's easy to find. So if you're looking for something on soldering, you can find it. If you're looking for electrical projects, you could find it. If you're looking for DCC, you'll find it. I have over 40 playlists on there where the videos are grouped into categories so you could find them easily. So take a look at it. I would like to thank all of you who have contributed through Patreon. Thank you very much to Chris O'Connell, Chuck Hyder, Debbie Cawley, Duncan Alsop, Greg Schmidt, who just joined me in the end of December, John Dilly, John Grout, who also just joined in December, Petro Matthias, Roy Hardwick, and Will King. Those were in alphabetical order. So thank you very much for all your contributions. It helped me to produce many videos in the past months. Without your help, I wouldn't have been able to do it. So thank you very much. Now, what's coming up in 2018? Okay, first of all the videos in January will be from questions that I've had through emails. Now, I get a lot of emails on tomstrainsanthings.com. Now, some of them are specific to that user, but there are other ones that I feel that other users can benefit from the responses that I have given to those emails. So I make videos for them. Every one of the videos that I do in January will be from those questions from the viewers on the emails. And the very first one, I'm working on it right here. It's on my little breadboard, and it involves a double pole, double throw switch and a red and green 3-pin LED. Now, I've had a couple of questions on that, so that's going to be my first video, but the rest of the videos are similar to that on questions from viewers. So take a look for that in January. And I also have the Shout Out Monday evening and other videos in there as far as in our travels, what we've done in December. We took a trip to Maryland. I'll have a couple of more videos on there. I already have 2 on the B&O Railroad Museum. I have another one, and my visit with Raybo Bill. That's coming up here in January. Okay, I'm going to start doing podcasts for my Q&As. I have about 5 or 6 Q&As already. I'm going to convert them into podcasts, and all the Q&As that I do for this year in 2018 will be turned into podcasts also. I may convert a few more videos into podcasts. I don't know the means that I'll be doing it. There's several out there that are a possibility, but I may choose about 3 or 4 different places to put them on as a podcast. Also, I am working on an ebook for beginners. A lot of questions that I've had in the past year from beginners will go into this ebook. I will have a free ebook that I will publish out here in a couple of months. It'll be available on my webpage, tomstrainsinthings.com. So look for it there. And also I will have a more in-depth one after that. So take a look for that towards the second half of the year. Also coming up in January, I've had a couple of comments on this. This is comments from last year, from previous videos that I did on the Digitrax decoder tester. Now, I picked up an ESU decoder tester, and I will be showing you how to use that. I will have to order a sound decoder to do the sound project on that, but I will use a decoder, a couple of decoders that I have right now, and most of them are the 8-pin that goes in right here. Now that's what I'll be doing on my first video on this, and then once I get a sound decoder, I'll do a video on the sound decoder and show you how to test them on there. So that's another one of the ones that I'm going to be doing in January. We've had a lot of positive comments in the past year, and I would like to do more Q&As about those comments, but I would like to do those Q&As live. So in order to do that, these computers that I have now, they're 7 years old, and the other one in there is 8 years old, and they are giving me headaches with live broadcast. As you well know, if you've seen those broadcasts, I've had nothing but problems with it. The only way that I could really do a good broadcast live is through my cell phone, and with that, it's kind of hard for me to see the little comments that come up on the screen, because I'm doing this on the cell phone right now, and it is very small, and my eyes aren't that good. I'd probably have to be up here like this looking at the comments. So I plan on getting another computer, maybe sometime towards the end of this month or in February, so I could do some live broadcasts on the newer computer, because these are Windows 7, and ever since they came out with Windows 10, 7 has been going downhill in performance. I think they have some kind of conspiracy. Every time that they bring out a new operating system, the old operating systems just get worse. That's coming up, more live broadcasts in the coming year. So take a look for them. Maybe starting in February once I get the new computer. And I'm going to be getting me a gamer computer, Area 51. So hopefully that will help me out in the live streams and also in my video editing, because they're also good for editing. So take a look for that coming up in February. I'm going to continue with the Shout Out Monday evening. Model railroading for beginners. Once a month, I'll have one coming out in a couple of weeks on Saturday morning, and my regular instructional videos on everything that I could possibly think of. I'm still working on some LEDs. We're going to put some of those LEDs in buildings, and I'll show you different applications. Like I said, this is coming out on Wednesday. I'm working on it right now on this 3-pin 2-color LED to show whether your track is on or off, and to also turn the power off to that track the same way with the double pole, double throw switch. So we have all kind of applications coming up in electrical. So if you are interested in doing electrical projects, I'm going to have them right here on Tom's Trains and Things. So keep watching for those this year. All right, that's about it. I'm wrapping it up right now. Hope you enjoyed everything that I did in 2017. I'll be doing the same thing in 2018, but they'll be a lot better. There are quite a few viewers that are new to YouTube that are having issues trying to find videos. Now, I've had people ask me questions, okay, do you have another video like this? And I keep telling them that check out my playlist. So I am going to do a video also on how to navigate through YouTube for the beginners, for the ones who are just starting out in YouTube, trying to find videos, because it's real easy. I showed a short section in the beginning on finding my playlist. I will do another one in an upcoming video just for that purpose of showing you how to navigate so you could find videos through the video tab and the playlist tab. Look out for that. That's coming up soon also. That's all we have for right now. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. And I have a playlist that you might want to see right here. So go ahead and click on that, and we'll see you. Bye-bye.